Metricool is the perfect tool for social media analytics and reports. In this video, I'm going to show you how it works and how you can use it to improve your social media strategy. Hey there, my name is Julia and I'm a freelance content creator and social media manager. If you're looking for a tool that can help you with your social media analytics and reports, then Metricool is the tool for you. It's easy to use and provides all the data that you need to make informed decisions about your social media strategy. And in this video, I'm going to show you how it works and how you can use it to improve your results. So stay tuned. Every business owner and social media manager knows that metrics matter. Metrics matter.
Metrics matter.
And if you're a new social media manager, this is something that you need to learn more about. And let me tell you why. So a quick story time. I remember when I was brought on as a social media manager with my first big 7-figure company. Every month we would have a sales meeting and they would ask me to share the social media KPIs. I remember thinking, KPIs? What in the world is that? I mean, I didn't go to school for marketing, so I've never heard of that term before. To save you the research, KPI means Key Performance Indicators, which is basically key metrics and analytics. So for those that aren't familiar with this, knowing your KPIs can really help provide insight on your business's performance. In this case, social media. So you can analyze what's working for your business, what's not working, what your ROI is, which means return of investment. It really helps you target the areas you can improve, and so you and your team can make better decisions, and to help track milestones and gauge progress over time. Okay, so let's get into Metricool. Metricool is an all-in-one social media management tool. It's most popularly known for its awesome social media scheduler tool. I did make a video talking more about this, so feel free to check that out. But today, I want to show you one of their other amazingly powerful features, their analytics and reporting. Now, if you're like me, I am not a numbers person. I am not analytical at all. I'm a creator. I have fun creating things, making videos, talking to people. I'm not good at graphs or charts or calculating numbers. No, not at all. But the beauty of this tool is you don't need to be a professional at analytics. Metricool makes it so easy and quick to create reports that you will actually understand and will ultimately help improve your social media strategy. So this is what the dashboard looks like. As you can see, they are compatible with almost every social media platform out there. And as you click on each one, you can see that you can literally monitor the evolution of your social media platforms. I'm talking about your growth, your engagement. You can check your demographic, you can check your hashtags, you can check your stories. And oh my gosh, this one is a game changer. You can even research your competitors. Like what? Obviously, you can see I don't have any competitors because the only competition I'm in is with myself. But it's super helpful, especially for businesses. So if you go down to reports, this is where you can customize, generate, and download all of this goodness with just one click of a button. You can generate weekly reports, monthly reports, quarterly reports, yearly reports, whichever you decide that will help you track your progress and growth. You can even create templates for your reports and customize them to reflect you or your clients' needs. You also have the option to send monthly reports as well, which is amazing. When generating a report, you can do more than one social media platform, but let's generate a report for TikTok today. And I'll show you what it looks like. So we'll click generate reports. Literally one click of a button and look at that. So it generates just a beautiful report. It shows you insights and data on views, the interactions. So, the likes, the comments, the shares, the rankings of videos, so you can see what your top performing videos are. And that can help you analyze what type of content your audience likes to see, and you can create more videos like those. So many great things. Are you guys still with me? Have you learned anything today? If this has helped you in any way, drop a yes in the comments and let me know. If you guys want to try out Metricool, I'll leave the link in my bio. Make sure to use code Julia for a free trial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, make sure to like this video. And if you have any questions at all, please let me know. I want to hear your thoughts so I can create videos to help you take your social media marketing to the next level. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.